Okay, today we're gonna battle with Rockcleo. Hades Pegasus. Wait, oh, medic. Oh. And for Hades Pegasus, which is this one, it has a metal tip, so it's sometimes scratchy. And for this one, it's original Virgo tip. Some of them are metal fusioned and stuff. So Hades Pegasus is not metal fusion. It's actually the tip's not burn fire blaze. It's burn eagle. It's cool. It's flat. Eternal flat. Watch, they're gonna. Oh, they're not bad. And another tip: never paint these in watercolor. If you do, this is a good way. First, paint it with watercolor, then put it in the microwave for 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Get a tongue, you know, like one of those snappy things. Get it? First, you gotta put the thing on, paint it, put it in the microwave, get the tongue, take it out of the microwave when it's done doing 1 minute, and
Ito,